welcome back. Today we are taking the guilt out of some of our very favorites. And here to help us with that is Holly Hicks, a registered dietitian and also volunteer with the American Diabetes Association. Holly, welcome to my kitchen.
Thank you so much. I'm glad to be here.
Well, I am so thrilled that you're here because so many times when people are on a strict diet, they think that means just cardboard, plain chicken, lettuce, and that's it.
Yes.
And you are here to show us that that doesn't have to be the case. What are we making today?
We're going to make spinach and ham English muffin pizzas, and it's from the American Diabetes Association Food Hub. You just go to diabetes.org, click on recipes, and you can find some wonderful recipes there.
Well, I can't wait to get started, but first I want to get a little bit more information about what you do and how to help people who maybe have just been diagnosed and they're struggling with how to it's a lifestyle change, how to change their meals. And I know that you are so helpful at the American Diabetes Association, and you have food models, and you even brought an example to show us of what a balanced plate should be like.
Yes. Let me show you. As a registered dietitian, my goal is to help people discover a healthy lifestyle and the enjoyment of that, because if food doesn't taste good, people aren't going to follow an eating plan long term. So this is what a healthy plate ought to look like. Half your plate should be produce, fruits and vegetables, and we have some lettuce and tomato over here too. We've got a turkey pita with lettuce, tomato, carrot sticks, and watermelon. So this is a very balanced plate that will help control weight and help protect against diabetes.
You know what I like about that also is getting people to eat those whole fruits and vegetables.
Yes.
We have so much processed foods that we eat, so you forget what a real tomato tastes like, or a real carrot. Once you start getting that back into your diet just in the kind of clean, healthy way, you really enjoy it so much more, and they're so good for you.
Yes, exactly. And there's so much sugar when you drink the juices. It's better to eat the whole fruit, for example, because you're going to get a lot more fiber, and fiber helps to control blood sugar levels.
Well, let's talk about these pizzas that we're making.
All right, so we're going to start out. This recipe takes about 10 minutes to prepare, so on those busy weeknights when you just want a quick meal for your family, this works out really well. So we're going to start out with a whole grain English muffin, and you want to choose whole grains whenever possible because it's going to be very high in fiber, and fiber helps keep blood sugar levels stable. So we've got 2 English muffins we've split here, and then we're going to just top it with some tomato sauce.
Now, is this any particular type of tomato sauce?
This is actually any spaghetti sauce you have on hand. So it's real easy, and it's rich in lycopene, which helps protect eyesight, also is very cancer protective. And then we're going to add some, I'm just going to top some of these others, and if you want to add spinach actually to this one.
And we're going to use our fingers. Your hands are such good tools for the kitchen, and we have washed them, they're very clean.
Yes. So that works. We're going to put some spinach on.
Now, are there any combinations that you shouldn't have? I know sometimes food work differently with each other.
Actually, when you combine different vegetables together, you actually get a sort of a synergistic effect, and you get better nutrient absorption when you do that.
But the important thing also to keep in mind is that we need to have portion control.
Absolutely, that's right. And we're kind of just using our hands here, but you would want to follow the recipe exactly and use your tablespoons, your measuring cups, etc., to make sure you've got the correct calorie count there. But so we're going to top it with the spinach, and then we're going to add some ham.
And that's just regular deli ham?
Regular deli ham. I chose the one that doesn't have the nitrates, the uncured one.
I always do with my daughter too. I want to be extra healthy.
Yes. All right, next we're going to put our cheese on, and I'll go ahead and top that.
And how much cheese did you use?
Okay, so it's going to be ½ a cup for the whole recipe, so that's about 2 tablespoons per pizza.
Right. So there's about, what, 4 tablespoons and ¼ cup? So.
Yes. And then we're going to pop it in the oven. We've set our oven at 425, and it's going to take about 8 minutes, and then we're done.
But look at that. So that's right about 2 tablespoons, and it's not like you're putting 2 little pieces on there. You're getting a nice portion, so you don't feel like you're giving up anything. I love that. Yes. Okay, we've got a couple more things here.
Okay, I wanted to just show you an option of what you could do if you wanted to just volumize your pizza a little bit and just make it a little bit healthier. I like to feel really full when I eat. I mean, I want to feel very satisfied and not hungry after I've eaten a meal. And 1 serving of this recipe is 1 of these English muffins. So you could add some sauteed, I've got red pepper, mushroom, and onions here, and I've got some artichokes, which are going to be very high in fiber.
So, does it matter how many vegetables you put? I know we're watching our portions and everything because of the sugars.
That's a great question, because you can add a variety of non-starchy vegetables, and it's going to keep your calories low and just increases the fiber, which stabilizes blood sugar levels even more. So.
And so this is fantastic for someone with diabetes to know that you can still eat fun. I mean, it's pizza. These are all set and ready to go, so we put them in the oven at what temperature?
425.
And how long do they need to be in there?
8 minutes, and we're done.
Wow, so it's a quick, healthy, easy snack.
Yes,
Well, what more can you
I love
want?
it.
And it's pizza. Well, let's pop them in the oven.
Sounds good.
So those are in the oven for about 8 minutes.
Yes. And to save time, I went ahead and prepared a plate so you could see what the final product looks like. And
It's beautiful. Look at that. Look at all those colors.
it's delicious, and this whole meal only gives you about 350 calories and about 7 grams of fiber, which
And
helps blood sugar levels.
It smells so good.
Thank you.
Holly, you do this for a living, right?
Yes, I do. I have my own business. It's called hollyhicksnutrition.com, and you can go to my website to learn more about my services.
Well, that is wonderful, and thank you for coming to show us this delicious recipe. I can't wait to try it.
Thank you.
Now, when we come back, we're continuing on with our backwards day. We've got a local celeb coming in to prepare her favorite appetizer. Stay tuned. I want to try some of those berries.